Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to merge datasets in Tableau. So for this, first of all, let us see the database. In Excel, we have entered the students in the columns and subjects in the rows, and their marks are entered. Similarly, for semester 2, semester 3. Now you have to observe one thing that in the semester 1, the chronology or rather the students entered here are ACDB. In semester 2, they are entered as BACD. In semester 3, they are entered as DABC. So they are not arranged in the proper way. First thing. Now let us understand something more. These are students. These are different subjects S1, S2, S3, S4. In semester 2, we are having different subjects. In semester 3, we are having different subjects. Now in semester 1, there is one student X, which is not there in semester 2 and semester 3. Moreover, in semester 2, we are having one student Y, which is not there in semester 1 and semester 3. Now, let us see how we can merge these data sets and what are the options available with us. So for this, we will go in Tableau. Then we will activate Microsoft Excel and I will activate the student semester file. Open. Drag semester 1. Double click on it. Now drag semester 2. The joins will appear. You can see the joins here. Now it will give you a different options. One by one, let us see uh, what happens if we activate the different options. If I activate the inner join, all those students which are there in both the semesters will be there. So you can see neither X neither Y is been selected. Okay. Now if I see select the left one, the student in semester 1, that is X, will be activated. Y will not be activated because it is a left join. Now if I select right join, then the student of first semester X is not selected, Y is selected. Now if I select full outer, X and Y both will be selected, but as they are different students, different rows will be formed, right? So let us keep this as inner join and I will close it. Now we want to connect semester 3 with this semester 1 and 2. Drag it and drop it here and it will get connected. Again, this inner join will select all those students which are common in it. Okay, so you can see BACD and their marks are arranged. Now I want to hide this. Activate this, right click and you can hide because already we are having the students. This also hide and you can do the sorting of it ABCD. So now the data is organized in much better way. Now click on sheet 1 and you can see semester 1, semester 2, semester 3 marks are arranged in a proper manner. So this is a way you can join the database in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn, LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau.